The 25th of October 2021 प्रातः मुरली वरदान, ईश्वरीय शान में स्थित रह हर कर्म शानदार बनाने वाले सर्व परेशानियों से मुक्त भव सदा इसी ईश्वरीय शान में रहो कि मैं बाप दादा का नूरे रत्न हूँ, हमारे नयनों व नजरों में कोई भी चीज समा नहीं सकती। इस शान में रहने से भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की परेशानियां स्वतः समाप्त हो जाएंगी। कोई भी प्रकार की कंप्लेन नहीं रह सकती। जितना जो अपनी ऊंची शान में स्थित रहते हैं उन्हें मान भी स्वतः प्राप्त होता है और उनके हर कर्म शानदार होते हैं। The disillusionment, hardship, stress and whatever you experience from people, your body, your relationships, and whatever is negative, alarming, fearsome or stressful you come to know about in the world normally dominates and overwhelms your minds, feelings, perception and sense of what is real. In the same way, the awareness of having God with you eliminates the power of attraction of all that gives you pleasure, physical and relational happiness, because you see it is ephemeral and deceptive. All this becomes merged by your connection and communion with God. When God and what He gives you floods your mind, then all that is negative vanishes from your perception. Meditation means to keep God in your mind and thus you will remain free from the influence of sense perception and culture. This is meditation. Your awareness of the civilization and the culture of the future which God is preparing you for also keeps you independent of the onslaught in the world of sorrows in which women are violated and abused. Obstacles and the sufferings of negative karma will continue only for a short while longer. Your Father gives you the patience to endure it. Settlement of karmic debts must be accomplished. Your contact with God and your awareness of the future world enables all this to become merged in your mind, and you will not experience the suffering of karma. This is how the remembrance of God destroys the consequences of negative karma. So, these few sentences about yoga are very important aspect of the message.